Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. After seeing the thumbnail, you would have came with the speed of light. So what we are going to see today is the top most English YouTube channels for your NEET preparation, and it's not at all going to be any language barrier with these channels. So they are Learner, VE Lite, Catalysis by Vedantu, Neela Bako Tutorials, IIT Par, Miso Study, Akash Prem Class, Wasim Bhatt, Komli Ma'am, and finally is 6 channels. So these are the channels which I made the list, and I have included two more channels here, Seema Makijani and Physics Galaxy. So I have classified this list into two types. The first one is common and second one is separate. So let's go into the video detailing. So first comes here is the Learner. In Learner you will be getting the videos for all of the three subjects, which includes physics, chemistry and biology. The only thing what you have to do is search for 5 minutes in the playlist, because the present videos are available in bilingual or in Hindi. So now you can able to see here is this video has been uploaded 3 years before. So like this only the videos will be available over there, which I am saying. The only thing what you have to do is you have to go to the playlist and search, and surely you will be getting it. And this channel is very good for your preparation. And the next is the NEET Elite. If you want to get a feel like you are studying in a coaching institute or anything, this is the best, because this channel had been started only a month ago, and there are a lot of benefits waiting for you, and even you can able to solve your doubts in the live session itself. So the benefits are you will be getting the daily schedules, and you will be also getting the periods of the class which you are attending for a day, and notification from the mentors are going to stream live before 30 minutes or an hour. So there are a lot of benefits like this, and surely you will be liking this channel very much. And the most important thing is, if you want to get the PDFs and the schedules, you want to be in the Telegram. If you are not yet, the link has been given in my description. Please check it out. And the next is the IIT PAL. In IIT PAL, you will be also getting these lectures for all of the three subjects, which includes chemistry and biology, physics. They will be having these separate channels for all of these three, and you can also check this channel for your preparation. This is also a good one. And the next is the 6 hours. In 6 hours, you'll be getting only a limited videos, but they are in animated form. If you love the videos which are in animated form, this channel will be a best option for your NEET preparation. You can check this also. Next is Miso Study or Miso Study, anything in it. This is also as same as the NEET Elite. Even they are streaming live even now too. This is also the best channel, and you will be getting a quality lectures from this channel. Next is Akash Prem Class. In Akash Prem Class, there is only a limited videos, but they are available in English. So these are the common channels as I stated before. Now we are going to see the separate channels for all of the three subjects, and the first comes here is the biology. So I'm going to say the channel which will be awesome for your biology preparation, and that is Neela Bako Tutorials. I hope I am pronouncing it right. So in this channel you will be getting the videos for both botany and zoology, so need not to worry about it. And the lectures and videos getting from Neela ma'am are very awesome and very good for your preparation, and your concepts will be becoming more stronger and stronger, and it will be crystal clear. So this is my suggestion for your biology preparation. Next, what we are going to see is chemistry, and the first channel is the Catalysis by Vedantu. In this channel, you will be getting the lectures for the chapters in the chemistry, and it's a very good for your chemistry preparation. And this is my first opinion. And the second is the Wasim Bhatt. In this channel, also you will be getting the videos for all of the chapters in the chemistry. Sarah has uploaded many videos. You can go and check it out. And this is also a very good channel. And this is the second one. Next is Komli Ma'am. In Komli Ma'am's channel, you will be getting a lot of tricks for your chemistry to overcome your chemistry fear. And ma'am has uploaded a lot of videos. Please do check. And if you like this, go and check it out. Next is Seema Makijani. In this channel also you will be getting a lot of tricks how to solve the organic equations very easily, and this is also a very good channel. So these four are the channels which I prefer for the chemistry. Next, what we are going to see is physics. In physics, I have only one channel which is Physics Galaxy. In this channel, you'll be getting the videos related to how to solve the problems and videos related to the topics. So this is the only channel I have for physics. So these are the channels, and I have made a list. I have searched a lot mainly for the language barrier. So that's it for today's friends. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and this was very helpful for you, and you are very happy that you have got a very good channel for your preparation. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and the most important thing is please share this video as much as possible, because surely someone will be in need of this. It may be who are your friends or even you too, spending a lot of time in searching a very good channel for your preparation. So please do share this video as much as with your family and friends, and don't forget to give your feedbacks in the comment section, friends. Please do give your feedbacks, and even you can able to say on which topic should I upload the upcoming videos and the channels which are known for you. So do subscribe for my channel. Even if you forgot to see my videos, you will be notified with the notification. Thanks a lot for coming to watching my video, friends. All the best for your exams, friends.